Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you what are the test cases you should write for Amazon search functionality. So let me take you through. So what are the test cases which we can come across? One is you should be able to open the browser and open with Amazon.in. That is the first test cases you should write. After that, there should also be a test case we should be talk about. There should be a search bar should be there on the top of the page. This is the location. There should be a search box should be there. Then there is also the test cases which talks about here on the left side. There is a all category is there where you should provide complete drop down for all the categories of the product which is available in Amazon. Let's say if I'm going to select an all category, then if I'm trying to search, then it will give all category products here. If I say mobile, so mobile all category. If you can see, right, there are only under mobile is only under these categories we can list. You have smartphone and basics, phones, basic electronics. These are the only two sections we have products under mobile, right? Let's say if we say tools, let's say if I say tools, so it is going to show all the categories. If you can see, right, power and tools category is there, home and kitchen is there, industrial is there. So there are so many categories there. So let's say if I'm going to select only baby tools. Now let's say if there is something is going to get it. So if I say only baby category, then tools, now it is taking to default to the all, right? That is incorrect basically. That is incorrect because when I try to select a beauty, I have selected as a tool, then when I selected this one, then you should search for beauty with tools, but this search is not happening. It's definitely a issue is there because in the Amazon search engine, it is a issue because when I'm trying to select any category, let's say if I'm selecting a computer, then if I'm selecting a mobile here, then under computer and accessory, you should call out this one, computers. But if you can see here, right, it is taking to the all. Again, this is an incorrect functionality. Normally, ideally speaking, whenever I selected any category, if I select any category, let's say if I'm going to select car and motorbike, then if I say mobile, then you should search under car and mobile motorbike, then you should search for mobile. Then whether any products are there or not, you should search. See, now if you can see here, right? Now car and mobile, if I am searching mobile, then it is coming out the respective products here. That is the right behavior. Same way, if I say baby and with mobile, you should show appropriately with baby with mobiles. But because I think there is no products are there, it is taking directly to the smartphone and basic modules. That means which is a incorrect. There is a bug associated already, I think. Let's say in the clothing accessory, if I say mobile, right now if I try to search, then you should show anything related in the class related to mobile, which nothing came out here, right? Mobile means it directly going to this area, which is incorrect. And also, let's say if I there is another test case which talks about, let's say if I'm trying to search like this, appropriate recommendation should get it. Let's say if I say ATA, then any character, any words which is people are trying to search, right? Normally people are searching ATA 10 kg, 5 kg, chakki. In this way, people are searching. So appropriately recommendations also should come as and when I enter a character in the search bar. That is also another test case which should look into. Now let's say if I say ATA 10 kg, if I'm selecting that and if I'm trying to search, then it should list all the products which are 10 kilos, if you can see, right, here also 10 kilo, here also 10 kilo, here also 10 kilo. All products are belongs to 10 kilo only. That is a good testing they have done, because everything is working. After 10 kilo, then there is a 5 kilo products are there. That means it is not failing here. It is clearly passing everything in the first place, which is showing 10 kg, then followed by remaining things. That is a good functionality. Now let's say if I select any other things, let's say if I select 10 kg Ashirvad 10 kg, now only it should show Atta Ashirvad only. If you can see here, right, I'm able to see all the product which are Ashirvad. So 10 kilo of product which is coming first, then followed by the remaining kgs. It is also a good thing. It is, this test case is really passing, right? Now let's say let's try with other combination, whether search is really working or not. We'll see, right? Let's say if we say pack 10 kg pack. So again with this search conditions, whether it is coming only 10 kg, let's see. So we are getting 5 kg also in between, right, and remaining things are 5 kgs. At least for Ashirvada 10 kg I'm getting it. Then let's try some other keyword, right? Atta Maggi. Okay, Atta Maggi is there. So if I select Atta Maggi, should get all the products belong using Atta. If you can see here, right? So all the product which are made up of Atta. This is a advertisement, hence it is coming differently. But if you can see, right, in other places we are getting everything is Atta, then that is also a test case which is really passing. Now let's say if I'm trying to enter some junk value, right, that is also we'll try. This is our junk value. Now let's enter. Now what it should say, it is trying to search so many things using this character. I don't know where it is picking, which is totally incorrect, because I entered some junk value. You should say I do not find this value, but I am seeing there are around 8 lakh products are there, which is not a right test case. If you can also see here, let's say if I enter some other special characters, right? If I'm going to enter a special character, now let's search. Now again the same thing. Something it is showing up which is a incorrect test case, means which is not working as expected. So I am hoping you're able to clearly visualize, let's say without entering anything, let's say without entering, if I click on select button, then it is taking to home page. At least maybe that is how the requirement could be. That is also one more test cases you should say. Normally without entering anything, if I try to click on search button, then it should say enter the value in the search box. That is another test cases we should write. So, and also if we can see, right, any other test cases which we can, let's say I'm going to talk about watches. Now in the watch, if I say mobile, right, now whether in the watch is there any mobile is there, there is nothing is there. It is totally showing a different things, right, which is incorrect. Now let's say, so basically these are the test cases which we can write for any such functionality in that matter. So this I am trying to cover for Amazon, right? I hope you clearly got an idea in search functionality what all the things you should test and what all the things you should validate as part of the search functionality. I am hoping you clearly get an idea of how Amazon search functionality will have to require to test. If you really enjoyed watching this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you are already not subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.